This February, Kennewick residents will vote on 2 ballot measures to replace expiring levies that support students in our district. Levies help bridge the gap in state funding by delivering critical local support for schools. Additionally, levies invest directly in student success, expanding learning opportunities and student safety. The first replacement levy is for educational programs and operations. This levy maintains the following: student supports, which cover important training and professional development, curriculum, as well as essential staff like special education, librarians, substitute teachers, nurses, and more. Student Opportunities funds integral programs that include advanced placement, international baccalaureate, and other college credits. Choice Schools, dual language, athletics, extracurricular activities, and more. Student Safety includes staffing for student resource and safety officers, security, custodians, transportation, and more. This ballot measure would replace the expiring levy, extending an average property tax rate of $1.73 per $1,000 of assessed property value over the next 4 years, starting in 2027. If the Educational Programs and Operational Replacement Levy passes, Kennewick School District qualifies for Vital State Local Effort Assistance, or LEA funding, adding an additional $16.5 million each year of the levy. The second replacement levy is for Safety, Security, and Information Technology. This levy maintains student access to information technology while providing new safety and security enhancements to district facilities. IT enhancements include cybersecurity, online safety, classroom instruction technology, network infrastructure improvements, and replacement of aging technologies. This ballot measure would replace the expiring levy, extending an average property tax rate of 56 cents per $1,000 of assessed property value over the next 4 years, starting in 2027. To learn more about how levies provide student supports, opportunities, and safety, visit ksdlevyvote.org. Remember to vote and be sure to return your ballot by February 10th, 2026.